Hi everyone, it's Sue. Hope you're all doing really well. It's that time again where we have our monthly mystery box release, and this is the April mystery box. So I'm just going to do an unboxing and just show you all the goodies we have inside this month. So I will put the link down below where you can actually purchase these. You can subscribe and just automatically get them every month, or you can just buy them one off here and there as they're available. So some months are sold out, some months I have a few left, and there are a few left still at the time of this video, so we'll get straight back into it. So I always do a lovely little collage there, and you get the box, a letter, and inside we have some tissue paper. Sorry about the noise, so I'll just pop this to the side a bit. So every month I give you a cup of tea, a tea bag, so you can have a cup of tea and some marshmallows while you're going through the box. So because it's April and Easter is just around the corner, this month I've added some Easter marshmallows, so just a little bit of fun. All right, let's get into it. So we have all the packaging is, majority of the packaging is able to be reused in your journals or whatever project you're working on. Okay, so we have this washi tape, and every box I try and include a washi tape, a fibre, and a stamp. So I'll just show you this washi tape, if I can find the end. And these boxes, if you don't already know, are nature and botanical themed. So that's the washi tape. It's a pretty pink background with daisies. And there's heaps and heaps on there. Okay, so I've just done another little packet here. Now I have sewn across the top of this, so it's probably hard to get into it, but my thought with that is this could be used as a tab. So I always just like to hold the packets up to the light just to make sure I'm not cutting anything. And then I'm just going to cut the top of that. And this could be used as a tab on your page, or on a tag, or whatever you wanted to use it on. So it's, you know, you don't have to throw that out. It is reusable. And then you've got a cute little packet that you can use in your journals. So in this little packet, we've got all these cute little, they're all stickers of music sheets. So great for collage, decorating on tags, that sort of thing. So that's that one. In here, I always forget what I've put in them by the time we get to the release date. So this one you just need to tear open. You can still utilize the bag. I think I've glued that shut as well, so I'm just going to trim the top off there. And inside this packet, you get a variety of, how am I going to show you these? So these are all stickers. They come on a little sheet, and then you just peel off each sticker that you wish to use. So they're acetate stickers, as you can see there. How am I going to show you this? So I'll just pop them on here. So you get quite a large selection in different colours. So you get the idea. I won't show you all of them, but there's quite a few there. There's some pretty yellow ones as well. So that's those. I also like to try and add some sort of substrate that you can work on. This time I have added some little sheets of acetate. I think there's 10 sheets of acetate there. I won't take them out, but clearly you can use them as a substrate to work on and build a collage or what have you from there, or you can use them in a window face pocket. Another little bag of goodies here. And these are all random postcards that have been stamped and fussy cut out. Of different sizes and colours. Okay, so we just need to cut the top of this. Just another collage packet that can be used as a pocket. And in here, there's a few more in there, but I've got all these gorgeous, amazing bird stickers. So there's hummingbirds, there's parrots, toucans, peacocks, sparrows, all sorts. Pelicans, aren't they wonderful? Just love them. King parrots. Another collaged bag. And we have all these lovely little stickers with different advertising on them. So these look really good just on your tags, just as a decorative piece. Once again in your collages. Some really lovely ones there. All those, and did I say they are stickers? Yes, they're definitely stickers. Okay, so this one, here we have some more acetate stickers. Got them all backwards. And they are frames, aren't they lovely? So you could cut a section of a tag or a page or something. You could stick this over top to frame it so you could see what's underneath it. So these are really lovely. And once again, all different shapes and sizes and colours. So they're really nice. It keeps on going, this box this month. So I might actually just trim the top of this because that sticker on there is quite sticky. And we've got all these really lovely gilded, gold gilded stickers, labels here, and you can cut the center. I don't know whether you can see the back here. They are perforated. You can cut that and use the frame separately to the sticker. As you can see on this packet, I have just used it as a frame, as a label in its entirety. So, but these are really lovely. So there's quite a selection of them there as well. Whoops. So this is the fibre for this month. So it's actually some fabric ribbon, and you have 2 different types. So they match together, they coordinate nicely together. So you can make ruffles out of these, use them as hinges. Just beautiful colours. So there are 2 different types in these boxes. So there is another 2 types of ribbon that coordinate together. So it just depends on the box. It's a mystery, and you just get what you get. I've also made handmade an envelope here, and I've just sealed it with a gold seal, and inside is our stamp for the month. So they're all separate pieces: butterflies, stamps, postage, script. Look at these tiny little butterflies here, they're so cute, and some music. So that is the mystery box for April, guys. I hope you like the look of that. As I said, there are a few left at the time of this video. I can't always guarantee that there will be any left, but if you like what you see, head on over. I'll put the link down below. I'm going to clean all this up, and I'm probably going to go and do a junk journal page using this month's mystery box, so keep an eye out for that video. Take care, guys, and until next time, I hope you get a little bit of creative time in. See you soon.